This video focuses on the instruction of abnormal vibration or abnormal sound or E3 alarm in the spin of the top-load washing machine. Cause summary. The main causes of this problem: 1. Friction of foreign matters. 2. The washing machine is not placed flatly. 3. The package plastic bracket is not removed. 4. The clothes inside get intertwined together. Solution. In case of friction noise, check whether there are foreign objects in the washing machine, such as coins, cards, screws, etc. If so, remove them. In case of abnormal vibration or E3 alarm, first, check whether the washing machine is placed on flat ground. Note: 1. The washing machine cannot be placed on the tray or other bracket. 2. The inclination angle between the washing machine and the ground shall not exceed 2 degrees. Then, check whether the washing machine is placed smoothly. Adjust the foot of the washing machine to ensure that the washing machine is placed flatly. Put down the washing machine gently. Take away the bottom cover. Check that the plastic bracket is removed. Note: the plastic bracket is part of the package. It should not be installed on the washing machine. Then check whether the clothes in the washing machine are excessively intertwined. It is recommended to adjust the clothes manually. Stretch and reposition them, or spin them several times. If the above instructions still fail to solve the problem, please contact our higher customer service.